Alright folks, fortunately I didn't get to go out in the kayak like I'd hoped today. We had a tropical storm come through Friday and Saturday, and it pretty much rained both days, windy. Not ideal conditions going out in a kayak for sure. But what I am going to do is head over to the local little pond that I know about and do some just brim fishing, just to get out and have some fun. Pretty much what I plan on using here. This is my whole setup really. Got my good old trusty Plano freshwater tackle box. I've had that thing since I was a kid. My little ultra lightweight rod here. It's a Battle 2 1000 on a Daiwa Crossfire rod, and also old trusty brim pole, which is pretty much just a fiberglass cane pole. Telescopes out, minnow trap because I'm gonna be using live bait for the minnow trap, and of course the bait bucket, which honestly you don't even really need anything that fancy. You can pretty much do the same thing with 5-gallon bucket if you're in a pinch. But yeah, we're gonna head right down the road and go check it out and just have some fun and try to catch some little fish.
Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next? He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
I don't know if I got any minnows in there yet. Yep, we'll do. I'm trying to catch some little brim today. With this little pole, you don't want much more. Oh, there we go. Something on there. A little more drag. Oh, good Lord, that's a bass. That's a little much for this pole. I'll take it though. There we go. Something. I thought I was hung for a second. Oh, that's a decent sized bass. Oh yeah. Trying to catch some brim. Look at this, pulling up bass. 1 pound bass. Not bad. See you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Another bass. There's land. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's got a little fight to him. There you go. Boy, there we go. Come throw it. That one kind of swallowed the hook a little bit. Yeah, I've caught like 5 bass. Pretty good. You want to fish? You want to fish some, honey? I got a cane pole over there, perfect for you. Go get it. Going from a little girl. No, I'm setting Jordan up. Here you go, Jordan. Come over here, too. Just hold it. Kind of like that, kind of swing it out there. And just let her, nope, let that foot sit down. When it goes underwater, you lift. Put your want it to go completely under. All right, let's lift it up. Make sure he's still there. Oh, don't hoss it. Don't hoss it, baby. Hold on, easy, easy. Holy moly, that's a monster. Easy, easy, easy. It's on a very, very light line. Just work it in slow. You got it. Just bring her in easy. Let him fight.
Look at it. Ooh.
That is that monster bass we were talking about being in here.
Oh yeah.
Come on, baby, bring her in. Just don't break that line, because that's a very lightweight line on that pole. So just let him come up to you. Come on.
Look at that big fish. George,
Is that even a bass? That's a catfish.
That's a catfish.
That's a giant catfish.
Holy moly.
Easy.
I'm going easy. Holy cow.
That is the biggest catfish I've seen in a long
Jesse, you don't
time.
have your camera on, do you?
Yes, it's on right now, baby. That's a big old cat.
How am I going to get it in?
I'm gonna drag it up here on the shore here in a second. It's probably gonna break.
Might break.
Hold on. Oh, there it went. It snapped it.
Did it?
Yeah. Ah, man, I knew it was gonna do. It was too big. See, that thing was every bit of that long.
Yeah.
Did you see how big around it was?
I didn't think I was gonna be able to get it up. Not on 4-pound test.
Should have went and got your net.
Oh, there we go. Ain't paying attention. On the cane pole. It's a little baby compared to yours, but that catfish could have ate this guy. There we go. Huh, caught you a while ago. Got your hole in the mouth still. Well, we're just getting back home. It was a fun little trip. Went out and caught quite a few fish. I was aiming for some brim. I'm using little baby shads and stuff that I caught in a minnow trap. Didn't catch a single brim, but ended up pulling in about 10 bass, all about a pound, pound and a half, which was a really good fight on the little pole that I was using. And then my wife and family, they come down there for a little bit with me, and I give her the little pole, and she ends up hooking a catfish about 3.5 foot long, which I got on video. So anyway, it was an awesome little trip. Definitely fun. Go inside now and get cleaned up, relax, get ready for the work week. Anyway, thanks y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed.